Okay, you wanted to see the ginger that I grew in my backyard. Here it is. I know that I could have done things differently, but the fact that I was able to do it at all is somewhat mind-blowing. I went to the store, bought some organic ginger, and put it in a pot. And then this grew out of it. I broke off most of the pieces that were the older parts of ginger, and they just didn't look as fresh anymore. Ginger, and I cleaned it off completely. Do you understand that when I would go to the farmer's market, it would be like $20 a pound for this? I'm not saying that this is a like, oh my goodness, life-changing amount of ginger, but the fact that it can be done, right? My question is all of this, any of this, edible? I didn't go to the Googles yet. If it is, that's even more. This is pretty phenomenal, and if you look, it was starting to sprout again. So I just think it's so awesome. Gardening was a bit of a mess this year, but this is a win.